How's it going, everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name's Justin, and today I got a new mod for the Fit. So right now we're gonna head over to Dara's house. Only reason I have to go over there is because I don't currently have a torque wrench. So yeah, let's get into it. We're at Dara's house now. This install should be pretty easy, but Dara's gotta leave for work soon, so I'm just gonna be on my own, which is sad. Would you like some water? I'm gonna go inside and grab my I would enjoy some water. Enjoy some agua? I would appreciate that. Alright. I have my impact in the trunk if you want to use it. Alright, so these are the spacers. Actually, a subscriber sent me these. Thank you to Alex Ikes. You can follow him at Trying to Fit My Fit on Instagram. Super cool dude. Pretty cool fit as well, so definitely go check them out.
So any of these guys get the spacers? You know what size they are?
100, that's the spec for all the fits here. These are 1 inch, 30 millimeter, 25 millimeters, sorry.
25, right? So we're gonna put these guys on. Is this one of them or is this?
This is 2.
Oh, there's 2. I was about to say that.
Yeah, this could be real crazy. Basically, the first step to putting spacers on is taking your wheels off, obviously. And then we're gonna throw the actual spacers themselves on. And then we're gonna make sure that the most important thing about this install is just making sure that you're torquing them down correctly, because I've seen way too many fails online of people just, their wheels falling off or their spacers falling off because they didn't do it properly. So make sure you're doing it properly. Find your torque specs for your wheel studs and just match those to your spacers and you should be fine. Also, we are going to sand down the surface of my brakes just to limit the amount of rust that could get on the vehicle. Just to limit the amount of rust that could get on the spacers and the wheels as well, because I want these to last as long as possible. All right, so I'll save you guys some time doing research. The torque spec for these are 80 foot-pounds, and make sure you put every lug nut at 80 foot-pounds. You're gonna thank me later if you're driving on the freeway and all of a sudden, like, you know, just bad things happen.
There you go. Okay.
That right there, my beginner mechanics, is the most important thing ever at all times. Always does. Always. It is goodbye time for Dara.
Goodbye.
So,
Goodbye.
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 Watch him enter the light and disappear.
Bye.
Watch him. Today's a good day. I'm very thankful. Just on my own, you know, installing a part in the car. And everything goes smoothly, you know. If you can aim a better time than that, let me know. And that's everything. All done. Alright, so now let's just lower the car down and see how it looks. Check this out. So this is flat right here, and check out how flush that is. That is crazy. Can you see that? Insane. It's actually crazy. Yeah, so it's gonna go in a little bit just because it's not on the ground. But from what I can tell, this thing's gonna look awesome. Alright guys, the car is finally lowered. Oh my god, I can't believe like how much of a difference it made. I think I underestimated. I was like thinking how much it would push the wheels out, and I didn't really know it would do this much. But anyways guys, this looks so good. Like, it's kind of crazy. Like, look at this. Oh dang, look how flush that is. That is crazy. If you look over here, like I said, after it dropped, it went in a little bit, but that is like really close. I'm gonna have to do a lock-to-lock test just to make sure, you know, I don't have any clearance issues. But dang, check that out. It looks so much better than it did before. I'm gonna go home, charge my batteries on my camera so that I can give you guys a quick little edit of the car, how it looks with the new spacers on. Oh, it looks so good. I can't like, oh, it looks so much better. I don't know if it's gonna change the ride. It's not really what I was looking for. I just want it to look a little better than it did, and it does. It did just that. So yeah, I'm super happy with it. Like I said, it's a super easy install. You do need a friend though to do it because you need to press on your brakes for the front wheels. Sand down your brakes a little bit just so you can get as little rust on them as possible. And also make sure that you're torquing down everything to spec. Seriously, 80 foot-pounds is the torque spec for the Honda Fit. It's super easy to find your wheel stud specs on your car if you don't own a Honda Fit. Super easy install. Everything went well. It was a great time. It sucks that Dara's in here. His car's gone, but it's okay. Yeah, I'm super stoked. It looks amazing. And yeah, so here's a couple cinematics of the new spacers. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm so glad that I got these spacers on. I mean, check out this fitment, man. I honestly didn't even expect it to be this perfect. I am having a little bit of rubbing issues, so the next movement is either getting my fenders rolled or getting camber bolts. I might have to have both done in the future anyway, so one or the other really. But man, I'm just so stoked on how this thing looks now. Man, the fitment is just better than I could have like imagined it to be. Yeah, I'm just really enjoying it, man. I mean, check it out. Doesn't that look awesome? Anyways, I have another subscriber submission for you guys. Here it is. Alright, so for this video's subscriber submission, we have Baldwin Nguyen. Now you might know Baldwin.
We are looking at how to pronounce what is effectively the most common Vietnamese name, a very Nguyen. Nguyen. When?
Now you might know Baldwin from Instagram. His Instagram is @dattarofit. Now this guy probably has the sickest fit in the entirety of the United States, probably. I don't know, maybe. I don't know, probably. And he's done just a couple little mods here and there. He's done Jay's Racing carbon fiber lip, Jay's Racing oil cap, Cybon DB styles, carbon fiber hood, retrofits, Depot smoke taillights, Neo Jazz 3rd brake LED light, genuine sway bar, Project Kicks, Team Momo 300mm steering wheel. Yeah, so clearly Baldwin has done a ton of stuff to his fit. I go to this guy for a lot of advice sometimes on like parts and stuff, just because it seems like, you know, he's bought a lot of them. So now I want to talk about a couple of my favorite mods off of his car. So first of all, we've got the Jay's Racing carbon fiber lip. Now I really want these things. I wanted one for a while. I actually got someone to give me some information on one, and I'm considering getting it. Just have to you know. So, but yeah, I'm in love with this lip. He's got a couple scuff marks on the bottom, but we don't need to talk about that. But yeah, this is probably the best looking lip on the GD3 Fit. I really like it. He's also got this sweet Cybon carbon fiber hood. I really like it. He's had it for a while. I don't know how long. Which is funny because even before I started modifying my Fit, I saw Baldwin's Fit on like Google everywhere. Like I'd go on the Fit Freak forums and like look through like old forums about like information and fitment and stuff like that, and I'd see his car. Because now then I found him on Instagram, and then like we talked. I'd like to give an indirect thank you to Baldwin for giving me so much information about these fits, because I really didn't know a ton, and then, you know, he's always willing to answer questions. Now I'm not saying DM him about all your questions. Please do not do that. There's like 1,000 people watching this right now. Don't just DM him with your questions. Please don't do that. He's just a regular guy. He doesn't have time to answer everyone's questions, you know. That's what the comments are for in my videos. Yeah, I really like his smoked taillights. I think they're pretty sick. Just the Depot replica JDM ones, they look really good though. He's also got a custom front grille. I think he swapped the JDM one over. There's like countless things that he has on his car. It's crazy. But yeah, he has some Koenig hypergrams. These are 15 by 7.5 with a positive 35 offset. Now he wanted to go 15 instead of 16 because he wanted to run a wider tire on. So he's running 250s, which is like sweet. So I'd like to run 250s. Oh my god. But yeah, he's got function informed Type 2 coilovers, which is funny because he actually had Tane S-type lowering springs when he bought the car, and that's what I have now. He's got a progress rear sway bar, again, I'm thinking of getting one of those. He's done a couple interior mods as well as, you know, the horsepower stickers and stuff like that, but he's got a custom steering wheel, carbon fiber paddle shifters, a couple other carbon fiber things. Pretty cool. And then this is probably like the best exhaust setup I've ever seen on a Fit. It sounds amazing. It's a little loud, but I mean, if you know you're into that, which I am. An HKS high power axle back exhaust, which is what I have. A DME mid pipe, a J's Racing Type 2 down pipe, Megan racing headers, and then a Honda Data tune. And then I'll pull up a video on his Instagram of it. It sounds insane. So yeah, I love Baldwin's Fit. It's really sick. Go ahead and follow him. You probably already follow him. I don't even know why I need to tell you that. But if you haven't, go ahead and check him out. Super cool dude. Even cooler fit. So yeah, I'd give this a Justin Mods rating of about... Man, I don't know if I can get even better than this, man. Alright, I don't want to give you a 10 out of 10 because then that eliminates all competition. So I'm going to give you a 9 out of 10 just to see if anyone else can top you. Alright man, thanks for submitting. See you later. I hope you enjoyed that. I did. I really like Baldwin's Fit. It looks sick. I remember seeing photos of him online all the time. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, leave a like. Please subscribe. And I guess as always, peace out.